as you probably seen in a previous video, I just finished washing and reviewing my hair with the Koils By Nature deep conditioner. So now I'm going to apply the moisturizing Shampoo leave-in conditioner, which a lot of people swear by this and absolutely love it. So I am going to use this, and I have used it before, and if you're curious about the ingredients, pause the screen. So I'm just going to apply this on my hair, and since it's nighttime, I'm just going to apply this, and then I'm going to use the peppermint gel on top, and I'm going to use these. I'm going to use this peppermint gel on top, and I'm going to use these for a wash and go, but I'm just going to put it in 4 jumbo twists so that it doesn't get too smushed while I'm sleeping. So so sorry about that. My memory card filled up and I had to go get another one, but I decided to just see how this would work with just leave-in. And so all I put in my hair was the moisturizing Shampoo leave-in, as you see here, and I can't really tell how much I used to show you, but I'll show you once it starts to settle back down. So I just came back on so I can show you what my hair looks like. But as you see, I'm starting to get some really defined curls. I'm sure it's going to be big and poofy once it finally dries because it's only leave-in, but I'm alright with that since I'm now working out so much. It'll give me the ability not to have so much product on my hair while I am having to wash it. So hopefully you guys were able to see that. I will come back tomorrow when it actually dries. I think I'm just gonna end up sleeping like this and throwing on my e-bonnet, which is not in here right now, but you'll see it when I wake up in the morning. Alright, see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. Hey guys, so it's the next day, early in the morning, about to get ready. I had to go work out, hence the clothes, but I just wanted to step in to let you see what the hair looks like. It's about maybe 60, 70. It's only really wet at the roots in this very back section. So this is what it looks like. I haven't been able to fluff or anything, but hopefully. So some of them are really defined little ringlets. Some are just kind of curly. But I'm okay with it. Pretty much the same on this side. So I'll just do a 360 to let you see it all. So I'll leave this up for maybe a couple days. Today is Tuesday, so I'll probably wash it out on Friday, and I'll show you how it holds up. Oh, excuse me, it's like 5 in the morning. I'll show you how this holds up until Friday. Alright, see you guys tomorrow.
Hey guys, so I'm sorry I didn't take pictures of the progress, but this hair pick is about 4 days after I used the Koils By Nature. It didn't last very long in my hair with all the sweating and everything like that, so I probably wouldn't use this again as just a leave-in for a wash and go, but it does work well, moisturizing the hair.
The Koils By Nature, what is that? Herbal Soothing Curl Defining Gel.